everybody. I'm here again all by myself. You know my sister, she's just jet setting around. So today's question was, it seems really easy to answer, but it's of course not. So the question is, do I have to shovel my sidewalks? And the answer, of course, is yes. Or if you don't, then someone can sue you when they trip and fall and break their leg. But the interesting part about this and stuff I find fascinating is the sidewalk technically is under the government's jurisdiction. So you couldn't like put a fence in the middle of your sidewalk and not let people walk on it, even though it is your land. The city maintains the control over it. And another, for instance, that's real is if you have a tree in the front parking strip and the tree buckles the sidewalk, so it's like this, it's a trip hazard. Somebody could walk by, a stranger could walk by and trip on it, and they can sue you, and it would be your liability. So oftentimes the city will tag your property and you'll get a letter from the city saying, hey, homeowner, you need to pay to have this fixed. So it's actually pretty interesting because although it's owned by you, the city controls it and gets to say what you get to do. So very easy, simple, but not really answer today to our question. I hope you have a very happy holiday, and I won't be seeing you next week, I think, because it's Christmas Eve. And then the following is New Year's, but I think we'll see you then. But have a wonderful holiday, stay safe, and we'll talk soon.